Do you speak social media marketing? Let's find out together. UGC, user-generated content. CTA, call to action. BOGO, buy one, get one. ER, engagement rate. Social media isn't just a vibe anymore. It's strategy, it's language, it's how brands grow. And if you want to work with creators or build influence, you need to speak the language. So let's break down terms every social savvy brand should know. UGC or user-generated content. UGC is any content, photos, videos, reviews created by real users or customers, not brands. Think of it as a digital word of mouth. Brands love UGC because it feels authentic. Instead of polished ads, they show real people using real products. It builds trust and drives conversions. CTA, call to action. A CTA is the instruction you give your audience, like click the link in bio, shop now, or tag a friend. Without a clear CTA, you're just entertaining people. With it, you're moving them to act. Every great campaign has a killer CTA. BOGO, buy one, get one. Classic. This one's not new, but still gold in influencer campaigns. Buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one 50% off. Simple, effective, and shareable. Use it in limited time reels to spark urgency and clicks. ER, engagement rate. Engagement rate equals to likes plus comments plus shares divided by followers. It tells you how connected a creator's audience is. You can have 10K followers, but if 1,000 of them are liking and commenting, that's a 10% ER, which is firing. Most brands care more about ER than follower count these days. Social media is no longer optional for growing brands. As SEO and paid ads get more competitive, creators who build trust and deliver authentic results through content are leading the charge. And if you want to turn engagement into real ROI, from influencer partnerships to UGC strategy, we've got you covered. At Daybe Commerce, we help brands decode digital marketing and grow with strategy that actually works. From social to SEO, we help you win online.